So, hello guys, welcome back to the Complete Python series. In this video, we are going to see about encapsulation in Python. Now, let us understand what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but a process of wrapping variables and methods into a single entity. We can achieve encapsulation with help of a class. This is because in class we write variables and functions in a single unit. So let us take an example to understand what is encapsulation. So in real world scenarios, consider college as an example. That is, records of student of every department are restricted only with the respective department. One department cannot access the records of the student who is present in another department. So here the department acts as a class and student records acts like variables and methods. So this access is been prevented with help of encapsulation. Before understanding its working, let us look at some advantages of encapsulation. Encapsulation acts as a protective layer by ensuring that the access to wrapped data is not possible by any code defined outside the class. It means that after using encapsulation, you cannot access the code outside of the class which is present inside the class. Encapsulations provide security by hiding the data from outside world. In Python, we can achieve encapsulation by declaring data members of class either as private or protected. These private and protected are nothing but the access modifiers. So if we want to declare a private member, we need to use two underscores before the variable name. And if we want to declare a protected member, then we can use one underscore before the name. Now let us create a class named myClass and create a variable a and assign a value of 10. Similarly, we can create one private variable b. So to make this variable b as private, we have used two underscores before the variable name and let us declare it as 20. Now let us write function display and pass first parameter as self. This self holds the reference to the current object. Now let us print the value of a. To print the value of a, we should use object name.a. So we will use self.a. This is because self holds the current reference to an object. Similarly, we can also print the value of b. Now let us create object O of myClass. Now to call display function, we need to use object name.function name. Now let us run the code. You can see that we have successfully printed the values of a and b. Now let us try to access the value of b outside the class, that is o.b. Now let us run the code. You can see that we are getting error as object has no attribute b. This is because this variable b is private to the class. Hence we cannot access this variable b outside the class. And if we want to access the variables which are private inside the class, we need to access them through the member functions. And you can see that in this class we are wrapping up the member variables and member function in a single unit, that is class. So hence encapsulation can be achieved with help of a class. This was some basic concepts of encapsulation in Python. Thank you.